All right, gentlemen, we've been through the rules. Protect yourself at all times. Follow my instructions. Keep it clean. Touch gloves. Let's do it.
All right, fight fans. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. Neeraj Pangal finally takes on Digambar Singh Rawat in a rematch. I mean, the kind of legacy that Digambar has cemented, it's crazy. It's unbreakable.
It is. It really is. I mean, you know, I started watching this guy. I've seen a couple of his fights. The calmness, the composure, and the fact that, look at these two guys, the fact that they make lightweight is just shocking.
I mean, this is the future. This is the future. These guys have been through a transition. They know the training techniques. They're scientific with their training. They're scientific with their weight cut. And I'm sure that they have a long way to go.
I mean, I think Angad is just 26 years old. And Neeraj is 29. They have their careers ahead of them. They have a lot of time. And it's interesting strategy. Both these guys are starting off slowly. Angad's taking his time. Look at the way, I love the way he throws his feints, his subtle movements, trying to gauge reactions from his opponent. And props to Neeraj, he's not biting down on those feints. He's watching them come in. He's also staying very aware of the threat that his opponent possesses. Beautiful. Very fluid movement. And a nice straight left. Beautiful oblique kick and nice inside leg kick by Neeraj.
Go to the left side. Yeah. This side.
A very unique and different stance for Digambar. He doesn't fight southpaw, but he's been, throws in a big right.
Switches stances and comes over with a beautiful right hand.
Sneaks in, makes it dirty.
Digambar in the black and green trunks and Pangal in the white trunks. Interesting start here. Digambar fighting in southpaw, but comes a beautiful right hand. Again, the timing forces the shot out of Neeraj. Great strategy, changing levels immediately. But easier said than done. It's that leverage that he has.
No, but smart move though. He got rocked to close the gap right away, so he stopped taking any more damage.
Very good strategy. I mean, why risk it?
One more.
Herb Dean warning Digambar for holding the fence. Interesting, he lets him go. Cracked him, coming in. Man, and good recovery by Pangal.
Digambar's got a shot, but what a recovery.
He's got great recovery. And Pangal, he's clearly in incredible shape. He's asleep. He's asleep.
Exactly.
He knocked him out cold.
In the same manner.
Oh, man.
This is exactly, Arjun, Jason, history repeats itself. Round one, finish. Man, the kind of legacy that Digambar is making, it's extremely unbreakable. I'm a fan.
He made it look easy.
Super easy.
He pinpointed, he picked his shots. The precision, sniper-like precision of his attacks, his counter punches, and that right hand hit home every time. He got cracked, Neeraj got cracked a bunch of times, but that last right hand clocked him so clean. Man, oh man, this is the second clean knockout we've had in the night.
Well, with this, we've had 7 TKOs for the entire night. I think this is the first ever.
2 KOs as well, right? 2 KOs.
Total 7 TKOs.
Man.
7 TKOs, 1 submission.
I mean, take a look at the replay.
Decisions.
I mean, this is the time. He landed that right hand. He landed a good check hook.
Ooh.
And that was the one asleep. Put him to bed.
Clean. Hitting the bullseye.
And look at that. Look at the attitude. Digambar pointing at him, saying, I just slept you. Watch that. Just look at that. He's pointing his finger at him, saying, I told you I'll put you to sleep. And I'll say, I had a short conversation with him. He talks. He's a man of very few words. But man, oh man, he needed just a few shots to make